We are performing the Molisch test for carbohydrate. We need the material like distilled water, then we need the starch powder or any like monosaccharide, disaccharide or polysaccharide. And then we need the Molisch reagent, which is going to identify the presence or absence of carbohydrate. And lastly, we need the sulfuric acid, and this should be the concentrated one. For procedure, first you need to take the test tube and clean the test tube with running water. Then you should be adding the distilled water into the test tube. Now you have to add the starch powder or any carbohydrate. We are using the polysaccharide, that is starch. And after putting the starch powder into the distilled water, then you should be mixing it thoroughly. After mixing it, you have to add the Molisch reagent, and alpha naphthol is the active reagent present in this Molisch reagent. So after doing all this, we are going to add the concentrated sulfuric acid. Since it is 98% concentrate, we have to take proper precautions while handling. So we are using dropper and keeping the acid far away from us, and we should not be smelling it directly. And then we are holding the test tube with the test tube holder, and then putting few drops of sulfuric acid into the test tube. So after adding the drops of sulfuric acid, since acid is heavier than the solution, it would be settled down, and sulfuric acid will be giving the greenish color at the bottom of the test tube. And at the junction of the solution and the sulfuric acid, we can appreciate the purple ring forming at the interface, and this purple color ring will intensify it as we are using polysaccharide. In the case of the monosaccharide and disaccharide, the intensity of purple color ring will be less than the polysaccharide. So the purple ring shows the presence of carbohydrate into the sample. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Hit the like button.